Hi guys, hi Cougars, it's Mrs. Komiak and we're here in my kitchen to do the sugar cube dissolving lab. And the question we're asking today is how does the temperature of the water affect the number of stirs it takes to dissolve a sugar cube? So our manipulated variable is the temperature of the water, whether it's cold or hot water. And our responding variable is the number of stirs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's really important that we keep our stirring speed and our technique the same, so we can't go fast and then slow, right? We want to control that. And also we want to keep the amount of water the same. So you can mark, we're going to be using about 2/3 of whatever cup you have, glass you have. You can mark it if it's non-permanent or you have permission from your parents. Or you can just eyeball it. Okay, I can see it said, I'm going to go to about a pinky over this last little mark on the glass. Okay, and be consistent with that. All right, let's get started. So we need our materials. We need a glass. We need something to stir with. And we need, of course, our sugar. Finally, using the sugar cubes from our kit. If you have lost those or you don't have them, here you can just use a half a teaspoon of sugar or salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. Just be consistent. If you don't have an official measuring, you can just use a half a spoonful. Okay, just be consistent with your amounts. All right, and of course you need water. You're going to need water just from the sink only. We want to make sure that we only use water from the sink. Right, we're not boiling water. No, no, no. All right, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fill a cup about 2/3 of the way full with cold water. So our level one is cold water. We're going to do cold water first, and we're going to do 3 trials. Okay, so I put in about 2/3 of a cup of cold water. Put in about 2/3 of a cup of cold water. I have a way of marking it. It's about a thumb for me over this last line in the cup. I'm going to take my sugar cube and drop it in and count the number of stirs. Right? I'm going to count the number of stirs. I'm not going to do the whole thing for you guys. I'm going to let you discover it on your own. It's kind of boring to watch me stir. But I want to give you a couple stirs just so you can see that I'm keeping my technique the same. So I'm going to drop it in. I'm going to start stirring. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, etc. You're going to go all the way until it's clear, right? So it just looks like there's just water and all the sugar crystals are dissolved. Okay, you're going to do that 2 more times, right? We just did level 1. We'll record it. We'll stir, count, record. Then you're going to do it another time and a 3rd time with cold water, and then you'll repeat. You'll repeat the same thing with hot water. We're going to do 3 trials with hot water. Make sure, though, again, just safety first, that you only use water from the sink. Okay? If you have any questions, connect with your teachers. Have a great day and go Cougars!